If you've ever been called the go-to person or had friends say, you should totally charge for this, guess what? They were right. Let's be honest, people are out here Googling how to do everything from building a brand to baking banana bread without bananas. If you have a skill, a system, or even just solid life experience, you already have something someone else wants to learn. So why coaching? Because coaching is the business of helping people win. You're not just giving advice, you're guiding someone through something you've already figured out. Whether it's mindset, marketing, meal prep, or managing a business, there's someone out there right now wishing they had your blueprint. And yes, it feels amazing to help someone change their life. But let's keep it real, it's also a great way to stack extra income. You can coach on the side. You can turn it into a full-time gig. You can do it from your laptop in your pajamas with a matcha latte. That's not just coaching, that's freedom. They want you. Authentic, relatable, and one step ahead of where they are. Want to learn how to actually start your coaching business? Click the link in the description. I've got you covered. Someone out there is waiting for the version of you that decided to go for it.